Gotta go do some stuff. I'll be back. Well, daggone, there's some snow out here. Yep, that's ice. Yep, that's ice. That's ice. Yep, ice. I think there's a snowstorm here. Let's get I'm gonna get a drink. Oh no, my truck. How the heck am I gonna move that snow? I got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How the heck do you put this thing on? That would work. Hey, the heck are you doing without shoes on? You know how cold it is out there? It's 10 inches of snow out there. Go get some shoes on. Hey, go shovel that driveway while you're at it. My back hurts. Yeah, they probably still fit.